Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel once again, Math Makes the World. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic in competitive maths, which is based on problems on ages. In every exam, you will see at least one problem based on ages. This is a topic in competitive maths in which we are not using any formula, just we have to know the ratios, that means A is to B is to C, what we have to do, and we have to know some basics on this. After that, you don't need any formula for this. You can easily solve these problems on ages, and it is the very easiest chapter in competitive maths. Actually, in ages, we have three types. That means past, present, future. Always we will write like this: past, present, future. In questions, if they asked after, that means it will becomes future. In questions, if you have ago, it will be as past. If present age is given as X, you have to find out after 5 years age, then you have to add this one plus 5. So you can get X plus 5 as age. Ago 5 years, what is the age of you? Then you have to subtract 5 years for this. This will be as X minus N, and this will be as X plus N. For past, we will subtract the given number of years to the present age. For future, we will add the number of years to the present given age. Now we will see some problems based on this topic. Always you write, if you are initial to this topic, always you write past, present, future. If you are expert on this topic, you no need to be write like this. You can solve the problem directly. But in these problems, first thoroughly read the question 2 or 3 times. Don't solve the problem without reading the question. So we will see the problems based on this. So here we have two problems. Solving for first problem. First we have to write past, present and future. Here they given present ages of A and B are in the ratio 4 is to 5. So we will write this one as 4 is to 5. And after 5 years. So after 5 years means we have to add plus 5 there. So this ratio considered as 4x is to 5x. Now we have to add plus 5 for that. So it will becomes 4x plus 5 equal to 5x plus 5. And after 5 years, they will be in the ratio 5 is to 6. This ratio given as 5 is to 6. The present age of A we have to find out. So no need to find. There is not given about past. So we have to take these two only. This ratio given 5 is to 6. Ratio 4x plus 5 by 5x plus 5 equal to 5 by 6. By cross multiply, 24x plus 30, 25x plus 25. If we take these terms, then we will get x equal to 5. So x value will be 5. Then the ratio of A is to B. That means A has a 4x and B has a 5x. Here x is a 5. So age of A given as a 4x. So here x is a 5. So we get 20 years. And if you asked B, we can also find B. It will be 25 years. So for second problem, Also write past, present, future. First given, present ages of Kamal and Vinay is a 4:5 ratio. So this can be, we will write 4x:5x, and afterwards 6 years hence. So if you given hence, then it will be after. If you given since, it will be ago. So it also after 6 years they given. We have to add plus 6 for this, and that ratio will be 6:7. We are saying here after plus 6. So we have to add for this ratio plus 6. 4x plus 6 ratio to 5x plus 6 is given as 6:7. So this can be right 4x plus 6 upon 5x plus 6 equal to 6 upon 7. By cross multiply, 28x plus 42 equal to 30x plus 36. By taking terms, 2x equal to 6. So x will be 3 years. Now in the question they asked what is the difference between their ages. So we have to find out the ages first. Here ratio is in between Kamal and Vinay. We can take K and V. K equal to, we have given that 4x. So it will be 12 years. And V equal to 5x. That means it will be 15 years. Difference of these two ages will be 15 minus 12 will give 3. 15 minus 12 will give 3 years. Now we will see one more problem. Now we have some more problems here. Let us see the third one. First we will write past, present, future. The ratio of present ages of two sisters is given 1:2. Present age given as 1:2. So this present age we can take x:2x. Now, and 5 years back. Back means we have to go to the past tense. So past, back is 5 years. That means minus 5. The ratio already given, it is 1:3. What will be the ratio of the ages after 6 years? After means we will go through the future. So this ratio we have to find out. First we have to find out the x values. Then we get the present ages. After that present ages, if we add 6, we get the future ages. So for this ago, back 5 years, they given the ratio 1:3. So we have to subtract from the present ages. That means x minus 5 by 2x minus 5 equal to 1 by 3. By cross multiply, 3x minus 15 equal to 2x minus 5. This will be x equal to 10. So the present ages will be, this will be 10:20. But given after 6 years, future, in the future ages of after 6 years we have to find out. So 10 plus 6 gives 16, 20 plus 6 gives 26. So the ratio of these two ages 8:13. That means 8:13 means 8:13 in the future the sisters ages ratio. Now we will find out another one. Now we will see the fourth one. First write past, present, future. The ratio of present ages of Kavita and Khan is 13:17. So we will write here the present ages ratio as 13:17, and 4 years ago. Ago means we have to go to the past age. So 4 years ago it will be minus 4. The ratio of their ages is given as 11:15. And what will be the respective ratio of their ages 5 years hence? 5 years hence means we have to go to the future. After 5 years, we have to find out the ages of Kavita and Kant, ratio of their ages. So let us take present age as 13x, 17x. This ratio I go 4 years. That means 13x minus 4 by 17x minus 4. This ratio is given as 11 is to 15. 11 by 15. By cross multiply, we get 195x minus 60 equal to 187x minus 44. So we will get 8x equal to 16. So x will be 2. So if you observe the present ages, this present ages will be 13 into 2, 26, 17 into 2, 34. After 5 years, we have to find out the ratio of their ages. After 5 years, 26 plus 5 ratio to 34 plus 5. We have to add plus 5 to both ages. 31 is to 39. The ratio of their ages will be 31 ratio to 39. In this way, we will find out from the present ages the ratio of the future ages, or the ratio of the past ages, or the ratio of individual candidates. I hope you all like this video. Please give a like and share to all your surroundings. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and afterwards press the bell icon so that when I will upload a new videos to you, then you will get notifications first to you. Until then, thank you.